How to send stars on Facebook. Hello everybody, in order to do that you may follow up the simple steps. So for that you may open up your Facebook application on your screen, and then once you open up Facebook, in order to send up a star you need to locate up the Reels section. So go over to Reels at the top tab. You can find a second tab, Reels. Tap on it, and then once you tap on it you may locate up the video in which you would like to add star. For example, this video right here. So right under the video's name, so if any channel or any account has posted, right above the account's name, you can easily find an option called show your support with a star icon. All you gotta do is simply locate that option, tap on it, and after tapping on it, this send a gift appears. Now from here, all you gotta do is select up the star sticker, for example the second one, and all you gotta do is, in order to send the star, you need to buy it. So it is not a free thing. So in order to send stars on Facebook, you need to buy it. For example, this one right here, we need to send it for $0.29. So go on with the purchase process, choose the number of stars you want to send, and click send to finalize the transaction. So that is how you basically send stars on Facebook to support videos. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.